Welcome everyone with Solana discussion. Scrembo here from Emotionless Crypto Trading, 26th of January today. We're looking for the technicals, news of the market, and everything that is important. And usually, for those of you which are interested in trading technicals, strategies, indicators, make sure to check out my primary YouTube channel listed in the description area or comments area. We have a whole lot of the things, including live trades that I perform. In terms of Solana, well, you have a lot of the discussion in the media correlated with the price action, just like I said in my past video. This, news that are telling us that price is reaching $24, but collapse could be around the corner. There's also analysts saying that you shouldn't be bearish on Solana. There is a standpoint towards the healthy type of correction that caused an alarm towards the Solana. Now, we need to look at the network, we need to look at the developers in the networks, we need to look at the participation of the community. Solana lost a lot with the FTX issue, with the major decrease. I don't say the price action cannot be pumped because that can have external sources then the backed up data reality, such as the exchanges itself or the market makers itself, can take Solana higher without having a proper fundamental towards the price action of such an increase. Because this is something very interesting to the cryptos. If you've got money and you will to do something for such cryptocurrency, you can definitely take it to the highest levels without doing something with a project, without proving something, without achieving something major. You can take basically the price to 300x without achieving something major. So we do have basically a lot of the people moving away from Solana towards Polygon, towards Cardano. Now this is something that I speak out of facts. It's not that I have a preference of speaking like that. Most likely I'm sharing data in a neutral way. Besides, what do I trade and what do I do for myself? Solana, folks. 4-hour candlesticks, not before I'm explaining you and I'm sharing with you a little information around the program of the coaching that I run. This is one-on-one directly with me between 4 to 6 weeks, where we learn intensively on how to trade, either for part-time or full-time traders, beginners or advanced. This is great for those of you which are looking to optimize, learn how to trade, and perform better in your trading activity. On the long run, you gotta beat the markets, you gotta make the profits. So it's very important basically to educate the skills of what does a trader needs to do. This is something fundamental that I see, and I'd like to share with you all those informations in a form of a coaching where I'll take you by hand. We have homework and we're working together on your journey one-to-one. For those of you which are not interested in trading and they're not trading, we have my trading opportunity where I do perform trading for me and for my team. This is basically commission trading through API, where we do not charge any upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits achieved. Very simple. We connect you through the API with trading permission alone, and we are executing the trades. Then we charge a percentage out of the profits made every 7 days. On the left side of our page, you see our trading performance since September 2017, and then on the right side of the page, you see the instructions on how to join and the way it works. Very important that the resources needs to be handled in the proper way and the whole process as well. Now, this is pretty much all towards that. Let's get to Solana price action, 4-hour candlesticks. This is where it is. Very interesting. So I wanted to share with you the fact that we are getting a heavy support from the reverse golden pocket. We have formed a little gap here between the trending line and the price action, just like we have minimized the gap here, but that's still fine. Basically, the markets have reacted like that because there is a delayed dysfunctionality and malfunction in the price of Solana compared to the BTC, which is why, it is not hitting exactly the lines. That's the reason, due to the fact that the price of this altcoin is always correlated with the price of Bitcoin. Now it depends what Bitcoin does and in the way it does it, which will result basically for Solana its price action. Therefore, if BTC should have not moved, 1% lower, Solana will not do it just to touch your trending line for sure. Therefore, we do have this nice support coming in. This one plays out too well, but it is really important to see if we retest our reversed golden pocket located anywhere between 19.8 and $20.4 to find support, right? We need that double bottom structure if we tend to get there. At the same time, we need to be careful about the double top as well, located on the golden pocket of 26 up to 27. Very important to be careful around the double top with the behavior of taking liquidity slightly above. So I would be careful right now after such a strong increase. You need to be careful with the longs. This is something really important. So no high leverage, just low leverage spot trading that functions, and be careful that the exposure needs to be quite low out of your portfolio. At the same time, we have the resistance of the zone slightly above. So there is a mixture right now of resistances. If BTC gets a 15% increase, altcoins will be able to get above these resistances. But if Bitcoin is not going to get its 15% increase, all these altcoins will suffer and they will have a markdown from that point. So we need to pay high attention because any retest of major supports are going to be heavily purchased. The markets are looking quite decent for the time. That's it, folks. That's pretty much all in this situation. We're looking decent, and actually even more than that. So I'm happy to present you. Once again, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I see you tomorrow.